Hello, I'm Mrs. Clary. Today we're going to be graphing intervals of real numbers. First, describe and graph the interval of real numbers. We know that x can be equal to 3 because of the equal part of the inequality symbol. We also know that x can be less than 3. I'm going to show you two ways that we can graph this. One way is with a closed circle at 3. I'm going to close circle because a closed circle means that it's included. And since x is less than 3 also, we want to shade to the left. So everything that is equal to 3 or less than 3 is a solution to this inequality. Another way we can denote this, since it's included, we can use a square bracket facing the direction of which way x is going. So we're going to shade to the left. Using this way helps with interval notation. So if you're getting used to interval notation, this is good practice. So, included values are going to be denoted by square brackets or closed circles. Values that are not included are going to be noted by parentheses or an open circle. Let's try our next problem. On this one, -3 is included. So we're going to put a closed circle at -3. Notice there's no equal to part on the 5. So we're going to put an open circle at 5. And then we are going to shade in between. If we want to use interval notation, we're going to put a square bracket at -3 because it's included. And we are going to put a parentheses at 5 because it's not included. And then we'll shade in between. Let's try our next example. There we go. So here it begins at -infinity, if you can say it begins. I'm going to say that it's going to go from 4. 4 is not included, so we're going to have an open circle. And it's going to go left forever. So let's shade to the left. Since it's going left forever, we're going to shade the arrowhead too. So 4 is not included, and it's going to go to the left forever. Now for interval notation, again, 4 is not included, so we're going to use an open parentheses. And the parentheses is going to be directed toward the direction that x is, or whatever variable you happen to be using. And again, we're going to shade to the left. And we're going to denote that it goes on forever by making an arrowhead on the left. And then our last example, we have -2 to 2, +2 is a closed interval. So we want -2 and 2 are included in our closed interval. So we're going to put solid circles at -2 and +2. And then we're going to shade in between. Now, if you're thinking about interval notation, we're going to use square brackets, just like it shows in the interval notation. So a square bracket open towards the direction of the variable or the interval included on both ends. And then we'll shade in between. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to visit me, come to clarysmathlab.com and sign up for private lessons. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.